The first thing that we have to do is you have to check whether Samsung messaging app is still installed in your phone or not. So go to settings here, go to this option apps, and you have to look for messages. So I can see messages here. So Samsung messages is still there. The next thing is I have to make sure that Samsung messaging app is still the default messaging app. So again, for that one, go to settings here, go to apps, select choose default apps, go to SMS app, and make sure that Samsung messaging app is the default SMS app. Now the last thing that you have to do is you have to see if the Samsung messaging app is hidden or not. So tap anywhere on the home screen and hold it for a few seconds. Select settings. Here there is an option hide apps on home and apps screen. Make sure that Samsung messaging app is not hidden. Right now it is hidden. So what you do, remove the tick mark from here, select done. Once you do it, you should see Samsung messaging app again.